Hey guys, welcome back to Coding and Fun. My name is Ankit Gupta. In the last video, we discussed about lambda function. So I told you about the originating point of lambda function and what are the parts and how to write a lambda function. But here the question arises, where exactly can you use lambdas? So the answer is you can use lambdas in context of functional interface. So today we are going to discuss about functional interface. Functional interface are those interface which specifies exactly one abstract method. You already know about predefined functional interfaces in Java like runnable interface, callable interface, comparator, etc. These are all the functional interfaces. These interfaces have exactly one method. If you can see here, there is a one runnable interface which have only one method run. Here you can see there is only one method which is call inside the callable interface. So these interfaces are functional interface. The important point here is there is one annotation @ functional interface. This annotation is not mandatory when you are writing your functional interface, but if you put this @ functional interface annotation over the interface, that will prevent you to do the mistakes. Now the question arises here is what you can do exactly with functional interface. So the lambda expression provides the implementation of those abstract methods which are in functional interface. Or in simple words, you can say lambda expression provides you the implementation of the abstract method of functional interface. You can achieve same thing with anonymous functions as well, but the code is very clumsier. So avoid anonymous function and use lambda functions. So let's see some examples how to write a functional interface and how to put the implementation of that functional interface through lambda expression and how to use this lambda expression. So if you can see on the screen, there is one method is written here, anonymous function runnable r1 is equals to new runnable, and inside the runnable we have given the definition of run method, and run method is printing hello coding and fun message, right? So this is an anonymous function. How it is anonymous? Because runnable interface here given with the definition, but it does not have any name. As I told you, anonymous function does not have any name. So here if you can see in anonymous function, it does not have any name. The definition is given with the interface. Now in the next line, if you can see implementation using lambda expression, so here only one single line is written there, which is runnable r2 is equals to, there is one parameter list which is empty right now because no need to pass any value in this case. Then there is arrow, after that the lambda body is written, and inside the lambda body we are printing one message which is hello coding and fun. So if you can compare the upper method which is runnable r1 and the lower body which is r2, both you can see both the definitions you can see. So you can see in lambda function we removed all the boilerplate code. We have written a single line there. So after that if you go below, so you can see there is one method, static method, which is process and taking one argument of type runnable, and inside this process method we are calling run method through runnable instance variable r.run, right? After that if you can see we are calling process by passing r1 and we are calling process by passing r2. R1 is the definition which is given through anonymous function, and r2 is the definition which is given through lambda function. So both are working in same manner, only the difference is you removed all the boilerplate code. right? If you see the below line, see the comment is written pass directly lambda expression in parameters. So if you see here, we are calling process method, and inside the process method we are not passing r1 or r2, we are passing the body of lambda function. This is also the benefit of using lambda function, that you can pass the body of the function directly inside the parameters. So these are the difference between anonymous function and lambda function, or you can say these are the benefits of lambda function, that you remove the boilerplate code as well as you can pass the whole body of lambda function inside the parameters of any method. So here runnable is a functional interface which contains only single method run. So when you provide the lambda function definition, implementation through lambda function, so no need to put the name of the method, just need to define the body of the method and pass that body to the runnable instance, so that you can pass this body to the methods, and then method can call the runnable interface method run, and that will execute successfully. This is all about the lambda function and functional interface, how we can give the implementation of our functional interfaces through lambda function. So in the next video we will see more examples on functional interfaces, or we will see the predefined functional interfaces which is given by Java, so that we can easily implement lambda expression in our code.